This is the most expensive Rubik's Cube, Gen 12 Summer Edition. This is the most expensive Rubik's Cube, Gen 12 Summer Edition. The cube, a lot of cards, limited bag, accessories, magnets and a key, 2 sets of stickers, and the cube. It is green inside. Here is the maglev technology, no springs inside, only magnets. This cube looks amazing. You can control magnets inside this corner. Also you can switch these magnets. You can control center magnets. And here is not limited version this cube. Subscribe my channel to see more videos about Rubik's cubes.